Welcome to AutoCAD tutorials. In this lesson, we're gonna learn about variable bar series created inside a circular shape. Let's start by drawing a big circle. Okay, this is clear so far. After the circle is done, we're gonna have to modify it a little bit. We need to give this circle two flat sides, which can sound nonsense, but I'm gonna show you what I mean. I'm gonna draw two lines as close to the circle's outline as possible. These lines are gonna help us create the bar series. Okay, and I'm gonna just quickly mirror this to the other side and trim everything we do not need. Okay, we have the shape. Now let's create the series. We're gonna use this tool, bar series, and the type should be variable on polyline. Set the diameter, it's 10 mils, and let's say 20 centimeters, for example. And now to the creation. Click on the big blue button and make sure that down here the active creation mode is polyline. If it says here point, then you should hit the P key on the keyboard and switch to the polyline mode. Now, granted that we are in this mode, select the base curve, define the endpoints on the vertical lines, and finally select the top arc. And so, we've just created a bar series inside the circle. And you can generate the outside bar and the extract as well. Don't forget to generate the variable steel table too. I hope you'll find this small lesson interesting. In any case, thank you for watching.